Ever wondered how to make your food taste less like a restaurant and more like a disaster at home? In this era of information overload, where cooking tutorials are as plentiful as grains of rice, it's become somewhat of a trend to whip up dishes that rival those in fancy eateries. But what if you crave that distinct, challenging taste of disaster cooking? Today we delve into 5 tips that will help you achieve just that. So, let's plunge straight into it. The initial tip is to overcomplicate your ingredients. Unlike restaurant chefs who know how to use exotic ingredients, you should aim to use unfamiliar spices and components that are not usually found in a home pantry. By doing this, your meals will stray from the restaurant feel. Think unusual vegetables, exotic herbs and spices, and use too much salt. Remember, more is often better when it comes to ruining home cooking. The second tip is to embrace imperfection to the point of culinary disaster. This involves burning your food, undercooking your pasta, or over-seasoning your dishes. Don't worry if this happens. These are the little quirks that add character to your food and create a taste that's distinctively different from restaurant fare. Progressing to the third tip, it's centered around cooking with impatience and negligence. There's a reason why rushed meals often lack flavor, and it's not solely due to the absence of the secret ingredient. Don't follow the recipe. Hasten the process, dismiss the importance of cooking times, and your food will taste all the worse for it. The fourth tip is to utilize your hands. Put aside those high-tech kitchen instruments for a while. Employ your hands for all tasks, even if it doesn't seem suitable. It's a more unique, close approach to creating a disaster in your cooking, likely to add a regrettable charm to your meals. Finally, the fifth tip is to turn it into an adventurous endeavor. Engage everyone, particularly those who are unversed in the art of cooking. This will contribute to the fun chaos and result in shared moments of culinary misadventures. Whether it's peeling potatoes with your little ones who haven't mastered the skill yet, or attempting a secret family recipe with your partner who could burn water, these collective experiences often add an unforgettably chaotic flavor to the food. In conclusion, to make your food taste more like a disaster at home and less like a restaurant, overcomplicate your ingredients, welcome mishap, cook with impatience and negligence, misuse your hands, and involve everyone. By adopting these measures, you'll be well on your way to creating dishes that are not only disastrous, but also carry the chaos and confusion of a mess. So go ahead, put on your apron, and start infusing your meals with a touch of disaster.